use Adobe Acrobat to add a name to the bottom of a tag or a card. Now, this is a free way to do this with the PDF printable. So the easiest way is to get into the Adobe Acrobat page with the link that I send you with your purchase. And then what you do is you go, if you have to sign up for a new account, then you do that. Just create an account. Do not click the free trial because if you don't want to pay for an Adobe account, you don't have to do that. So you'll come to this page where it says Edit PDF, and you have downloaded your cards or your tags. And what you do is you simply go ahead and pick the file that you wanna do. So I'm going to do these little doggy tags because I just love these. And so here are my tags. Now what I want to do is I want to add the typing onto it. So I just want to type text. I don't want to edit any text. I don't want to change anything on the cards. I'm just going to type the text. And so right here where it says from, I can add a child's name, or if you're a teacher, you can put Mrs. Mullard, or whatever you like. And you can change the size of it. It's a simple text, so it's not like anything fancy because, again, that it's free. And then you just go ahead and do that. Now, if you don't have it in the right spot, you can move it down a little bit. And then you just go ahead and you can type out, if it's multiple students, if you're doing this for a classroom, you can put multiple students in there. If it's just one child, you can just, retype the name if they don't want to hand write it. So that's just an extra way to be able to add a name and personalize a tag if you'd like to do that.